So if you look at this graph of this inequality, it's all the y values that are greater than -4. So yeah, I think here it's hard to see -4, but you see -6, -2, so that's -4, which means this inequality, the graph is equivalent to y is greater than -4. Note it's a horizontal line. Now they tell us that it's equivalent to ry is less than 60. So you can see that y will need to be a negative number, and I need to get -4. So if I have -15, if you divide both sides by -15, the inequality would flip, and you would get y is greater than -4. So the answer is r, which is a constant, a number here, is simply -15, which if you look at the choices is their choice D. Now another way you can do this is to use Desmos. They've given you a list of values for r, and all you do is, let's say if it was A you were plugging in, you would graph 15y is less than 60, and you graph it in Desmos, and if you do this, this is really equivalent to y is less than 4, and that would be actually from here shaded down. So that's of course not the correct answer, but if you keep doing it, eventually you'll see that this one, if you replace r with -15, if you graph this, that would match exactly with this figure. So you can take that approach as well, but it's easier figuring out the inequality just based on what the graph is and then figuring out r, so we don't have to do trial and error with Desmos, but that approach would also work. So to summarize, the answer is D.